This instructional video will show how to replace the toner container in the PA4000WX printer. When the printer displays it is time to replace toner, use this procedure. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any toner that is not Kyocera genuine toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer warranty. To replace the toner container, first push this button on top of the printer, located here to open the front cover. Open the top cover as well. Press the blue toner container release button, located here, to unlock the toner container. Pull the toner container straight out of the printer, as shown. Put the old toner container into the provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container into your recycle bin. When inserting the new toner container, be careful not to touch this electrical contact. Shake the new toner container back and forth. Grasp the toner container at this location and insert it into the printer, lining it up on the right side as shown. Push the container in until it clicks. Then rotate the container up to match the blue arrows together. Close the top and front covers. You have now successfully replaced a toner container in your PA4000WX printer.